Nasaktan ako, kaya ako nagbago. Hindi naman talaga ako ganito noon, pero binago ako ng mundo.
Sorry kasi I'm very clingy type of girl to the point that some people misunderstood my attitude. Thank you, but I think it's better na sinabi ko or sabihin ko. For me, I promise it won't happen again. To everyone, it's from me, Ali Pin. I hope next time, or I hope hindi na ma-misunderstood yung attitude ko kasi that's the real scam. That's the real type of girl who just scam like
Umiyak.
you all love to baya.
See, we care for each
Yeah,
other po.
like this. He's my best friend. Well, dito sa bahay mo po ko yan. Sa bahay mo po po. Kaya best friend. Sa kanya lang po ako komportable.